If you are looking for help that can assure you of 100% passing the CCIE lab exam, SPOTO will be your best choice. Here I'd like to make a brief introduction about what you can get if you assign our CCIE lab training course. Our lab package includes workbook and solution. All the materials are the same as the real exam. You will face it come from our materials when you take the exam. We provide rack to practice. The rack includes iOS, init configuration, and so on. If you have any problem or difficulty during the practice, our tutor will help you to solve it through the team viewer. We provide tutorial video that explain workbook and solution. It also shows you how to configure one section by one section. About the exam feedback, we provide forum to let you can see and can chat with other candidates. If you have any questions, you can contact our tutor via WhatsApp to get more details. Pick up your phone and scan the QR code on the screen at us directly. And like mentioned, CCIE Lab exam have different modules, so does SPOTO CCIE Lab services. This is SPOTO CCIE Lab version 1 study plan. You will be able to take and pass the exam after 1.5 months as long as you can follow our study plan. It will approximately cost you 2 to 4 hours on lab practice per day. We provide 3 months service time, thus you will have enough time to practice. So you can also follow your own timetable. It's flexible. We deliver materials stage by stage. We deliver stage 2 the SDN solution materials after you complete stage 1 route and switch solution. And we deliver stage 3 materials after you complete stage 2. The design materials will be sent to you a week before your exam date. Besides, SPOTO has deployed dozens of racks in 7 countries and owns 11 data centers, including enterprise infrastructure, data center, collaboration, security, and service provider to meet all the needs of over 200 candidates online practicing lab at the same time. SPOTO's rack utilizes the same hardware and software used in the actual CCIE lab exam. If you want to see more about our virtual and physical racks, just scan the QR code on the screen and ask for it through WhatsApp. Okay, that's pretty much for the introduction for the CCIE EI lab exam and SPOTO services for the exam. Last but not least, I'd like to show you how you can practice your lab on our racks. After you assigned, firstly, you need to download the CCIE lab materials from the link we provide. You'll get the latest workbook and solution from this link. We'll keep updating the materials if there are any changes, so you'll need to save the link in case of any changes. Then, you'll get 2 emails from different email address. The first email is from licensing@llgecko4.com. You can follow email to install the Local Lizard viewer and activate your license. You can get the access to SPOTO CCIE Lab Stage 1 DOO route and switch solution after you do it. And the second email is from labnotify@spoto.net. You can follow email to log in our CCIE Lab virtual rack to practice. Please use Chrome or Firefox to log in with the link. Type in the given username and password. Click to open the lab. Here, click Start All Nodes. The devices will turn to blue after that. Click the devices icon and log in. Here you can choose to wipe all nodes or just wipe one node. That's all for the stage 1 route and switch solution. After you complete your stage 1, and then you move on to the stage 2 SDN solution. Different from stage 1's virtual rack, you will practice SDN solution on physical rack, and you get 100 hours for practice. Firstly, Get username and password from CCIE Web Tutor through email. Also, please use Chrome or Firefox to log in. Since our students are from all over the world, you need to set the time zone. Then check the available time. Please prefer choice Canada Rec. Choose rec group and book date. Click to check view and you will see all available sessions. If you book the time successfully, you'll receive an email for confirmation. And of course, you can make change to your book time or delete it if you happen to have another thing to do. You will get login information 5 minutes before your book time. Don't forget to add us on WhatsApp or Skype to get study materials. Scan on the screen, you can add us directly. That's all for today's introduction. Thank you for watching.